Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll guide you through a step-by-step process on how to change the password of your AoL account through the mobile app. So if you are doing this from a browser, it's similar process. So go ahead and open the AoL app. If you are logged in to the AoL app, your screen looks like this. But if you are not, please log into your AoL account first. After you are logged in, tap on the round badge which is on the top left corner of the screen. Now you can see lots of options on this page. Tap on the second one, which is manage accounts. Now you can see all the accounts that are logged in on this AoL app. So tap on account info just below your account details. Now in this page, tap on security settings, which is under the category account security. Now tap on OK. Now in this page you can see change password option, which is on the top. You have to tap on that. Now enter a new password for your account. After you have entered the desired password, tap on continue. And this is all that you need to do to change the AoL account password from the mobile app. So this is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for other helpful updates.